Menteri rang badu kajela ukorat ke sangma ulapan pau kajing songsi bakat banang mi kisngi lanang I baki kamrunar kibab bunjaj kelas dangban karoi haka jela hakini kipor kiba menta hakaba kawei kajingjia kabasngu trimba kabalajia haka janmit jong kasanterik ubnai rempang arjar arkuar ha kapor kumba khandai tam I arngut kirunar kibala sop las panbha yaka durkmat jongki dakaba deng yaki helmet kibala lej ban lute naki artli ki petrol pump kibadon han Nongbah Shillong nakliang Menteri rang badu kajelau ukonrat ke sangma ula ban kia ya katanat pulit kajela ban le ya kabadun kam ban te lakam ya ka jingjelai ki kam tu kam lute Menteri rang ba kajela ula yethu bakatege jingjia kalajia haki artli ki petrol pump hakaba kawai kadai kabadon han Nongrim Hills bat kawai pat kadai ka Assam Auto Agency kabadon marjan bat ka dukan he kabala tip kom ka pantalons langba ka CCTV kabalai I panringdur ha Assam Auto Agency lai I bakidon arngut kibriu kibalawan dakabat pulsar bat rungbait syaka kamera bu pisa bat dawa pisa na kita kinong trei kibasyong hakte ki petrol pump kumta ka jingye thu kinong trei kibadon hakate ka petrol pump Assam Auto Agency kilong bakite ki runar kilayo bandrong hadu arlak prapo hajar tengka bat hadin bakite ki runar kilayo bandrong ya ketika pisa kilong ya kita kinong trei bakim dai ban ya thu briu bat kila phetno da ketika thup thup haki thain fire brigade kadba nakaliang ka petrol pump kabadon Nongrim Hills kita ki runar ki klem yo rong pisa satya bat lengba ketika CCTV kabadon hakate ka petrol pump lai I bakite ki juk ki briu kibala lej ban lute na Assam Auto Agency bat kila lej rung jubor hakate ka jaka bu pisa dakaba pen up daka sulai AK-47 Henry wala kata om simla satya ban pensisha la ka dei shishan em ka sulai namar la thep yaka hakawai ka berni plastik baklara klem dasei satya shabar ukonrat sangma ula khot yaki pajba ban wanra ya ka jingsuk ban wanra ka jingting ne jing pensmi
So what I was telling the earlier press who had met me, that incidents happen. It's not that incidents don't happen. There are robbery incidents that take place in different parts of the state. There are other incidents that take place all over. So this tendency to link an incident with the law and order situation in the state is unfair. one has to realize that yes, everything should be done to ensure that no incident takes place. But that's the nature of things, and crimes do happen, and government always works towards ensuring that they're minimized. But one cannot avoid certain crimes taking place. So they are happening, and it should not happen. And we will do our best to try and ensure that none of it happens. But as I said, that in any society, for the matter of fact, anywhere, any other state also, any country also, crimes do take place, and that's the reason why there is a system, and enforcement is there. So therefore, yes, we will do whatever we can. But I just feel that connecting this to general aspect that there is a law and order situation would be completely unfair. Well, right now it's a robbery, so we are investigating what's the side of it. But as I said, these kind of robberies should not happen. But yes, they sometimes do happen. No, it's not at all easy to get. So therefore, as I said, investigation is on. So once I get the reports, we will give back details of the investigation results. As of now, the report has not come to me, so it will be inappropriate for me to give a response to that without getting the detailed report. Of course, the police will be more vigilant about these aspects, but there's cash available there, so maybe they intended to take that. But then that's the nature of all shops, or every shop will have cash. So therefore, there will not be a specific plan or program as per se for, say, all petrol pumps, because then you'll have to obviously look at all those other businesses also. But in general, of course, we will strengthen the overall surveillance and ensure that proper action is taken against, especially those people who are involved in this.